morning students. Today I am going to start a topic called potential energy of an electric dipole when placed in a uniform electric field. So this is the uniform electric field in which a dipole is present. Dipole is nothing but two equal and opposite charges separated by very small distance. So consider a charge plus q and minus q is of dipole is separated by a very small distance 2a. Already we discussed. Let P be the dipole moment. Dipole moment of the dipole, and theta is the angle between dipole and the electric field. Theta is the angle between dipole and the electric field. E represent electric field. So E represent electric field. So we know that the magnitude of the dipole moment. We know that the magnitude of the dipole moment P is equal to Q into 2a. P is equal to Q into 2a is the magnitude of the dipole moment. We also know that when torque is when this dipole and the magnetic electric field lines are parallel, there is a torque developed in the electric field. So torque is equal to P E sin theta. We already derived this derivation. Torque is equal to P E sin theta, where P represent magnitude of the dipole moment, E represent electric field, sin of the angle of theta between these two quantities. So torque is equal to P E sin theta. So we also know that the small amount of work done, 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 dW is equal to tau into d theta. dW is equal to tau into d theta. So in mechanics, work done is equal to force into displacement. But in rotational motion, dW, work is equal to torque into angular displacement. So in this case, what will happen? The dipole is rotating, not moving in this case. In this case, the dipole is rotating. The amount of rotating a dipole from a particular point to next point is known as work done in this particular situation. So that work done is stored in the form of potential energy. So dW is equal to tau into d theta. Substitute the value of tau. What is the value of tau? Pe sin theta. Pe sin theta is the value of tau. So this is the small amount of work. We have to find out the total work done. Total work done. So total work done. So if we want to find out the total work done, we have to integrate this term. We have to integrate this term with proper limits. So integrate this term, we get dW, integration of dW, integration of Pe sin theta, integration of Pe sin theta. We have to substitute their limits. So what are the limits? Theta 1 to theta 2. Suppose we are rotating a dipole from one angle. This is theta 1 supposed to be. If we rotate this dipole, next limit or minimum to maximum, or we can say minimum to maximum. Theta 1 is the minimum angle, theta 2 is the maximum angle. So integration of dW is W, that is total work done. Pe is constant, take outside. Integration of sin is minus cos theta. Integration of sin is minus cos theta. Theta 1 to theta. Theta 1 to theta. Minus cos theta. Next, substitute the limits. Work done is equal to potential and Pe. Substitute upper limit. What are the upper limit? Theta 2 and lower limit is theta 1. So minus cos of theta 2 minus of cos of theta 1. substitute the limits. Now simplify this, we get PE multiplied by minus minus plus. So first we write cos theta 1, next cos theta 2. So this is the work done. So this work done is stored in the form of potential energy. So this work done is stored in the form of potential energy. So we have to find out the value of theta 1 and theta 2. So we know that potential energy is equal to 0 at perpendicular position. For what perpendicular position? When the dipole and electric field are perpendicular to each other, then the potential energy is 0. Then the potential energy is 0. So this means that at perpendicular distance of dipole, the work is starting there. तो ये इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर डाइपोल हम परपेंडिकुलर पोजीशन पे रखें तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी 0 है वहां पे, यानी वर्क डन नहीं हो रहा। जैसे हम इसको रोटेट करना स्टार्ट करें तो यहाँ पे वर्क डन होना स्टार्ट हो रहा है, यानी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी स्टोर होना स्टार्ट हो रहा है। So theta 1 value should be considered as theta 1 is equal to pi by 2. Theta 1 is equal to pi by 2 and theta 2 may be any angle. So we generally consider as theta. Now substitute the values we get. Therefore, replace W with U. We get P E dipole moment P E cos of 90 degree minus cos of theta. So what is the value of 5 by 2? 0. So U is equal to PE cos 90 is 0 minus cos theta. So U is equal to PE minus PE cos theta. U is equal to minus PE cos theta, or we can write this is in the form of magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta, which is nothing but minus vector P dot vector E, because vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta, where AB represent magnitude of vector A and vector B respectively. So this is the potential energy stored when dipole is placed in a uniform electric field. So this is for uniform electric field.